Good morning, Chris Maloof with Cross Country Mortgage here on this week's Mortgage Moves. Well, the inevitable has happened. The Federal Reserve has started to tick up interest rates, but that doesn't necessarily mean that consolidating high interest debt still isn't the way to go if you have not done so yet. We're going to go through some statistics, some trends, give you some current updates, so stick around. The U.S. housing market hit $36.8 trillion in the third quarter of last year. If we look at this graph, we can see how much faster the equity, which is $25.3 trillion, has grown relative to mortgage debt, which is the yellow line of $11.5 trillion. The roughly $5 trillion of home ownership equity that's been created since the pandemic is equal to the annual output of the world's third largest economy, which is Japan. But not all of that $5 trillion can be converted to cash. If we look at this graph, we can see the tappable home equity. Once we back out the portion of equity above 80%, that's the combined loan to value for the standard maximum borrowing limit for conforming first lien cash out mortgages, the true pie is somewhere around $9.85 trillion. That's a $2.6 trillion jump in cash to take out. Yet with all this equity out there, American consumers still have more credit card debt than they did in 2019. Rates may have gone up, but the spread between a mortgage and a credit card is still 10 points. That's 10% on average. That makes a debt consolidation a no-brainer. If we look at this graph, we can see the trend from effective fund rates, a 30-year mortgage, the average on a new car, the average on a personal loan, and the average of credit cards from 2012 to current. In summary, if you have not taken advantage of the equity that's accumulated in your home to consolidate some high interest debt, now might be a time to take a look at it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to answer them. If you found this information beneficial, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Have a great weekend.